A baker's dozen is today's idiom of the day. Why do we say a baker's dozen? I mean, isn't a dozen usually 12? Yes, it is, but a baker's dozen is 13. Why is this, I hear you cry? Well, the source of this term is because bakers in medieval England between 1000 and 1266 had an awfully bad reputation for cheating their customers by selling loaves of bread that were too light, and as a result a law was passed in English Parliament in 1266 which specified exactly how much a loaf of bread should weigh and imposed a heavy penalty for a short wait. So to protect themselves, bakers would give their customers 13 loaves instead of 12. So this became known as a baker's dozen. In 1266, there was a king called King Henry III, and it was he who brought in the law called the Bread and Ale Act, which dictated the size and the weight of the bread. So yes, the size of the bread and the ale meant that if you sold a short weight of bread that you said was selling, then you could be pilloried and flogged and put in the town stocks. And so, because everything was done by weight, when a baker sold 12 loaves of bread, in order to avoid incurring this penalty, the bakers would often say, well, you know, I think 12 loaves should be the right, correct weight of bread that you've ordered, but I'll chuck in an extra one and make it 13 just in case, because I don't want to be short of my weight, hence the phrase, a baker's dozen. How fascinating. But wouldn't it be nice at Christmas time if all the baker's shops gave an extra loaf of bread when you order 12? Yes, a baker's dozen. Woohoo! Well, I hope you've enjoyed this idiom of the day, the baker's dozen. It was an interesting going through the history of how baker's dozen came into being, and as a result, the idiom that we know today as a baker's dozen, which doesn't mean 12, it means 13. Which 13 for some people is an unlucky number, like Friday the 13th. But that's a whole different story. So if you've got any comments on today's baker's dozen and any experiences you've had, humorous or otherwise, please put them in the comments below. Love to hear them. Also, if you've enjoyed this video, please subscribe, and I'll be having some more idioms on a similar theme over the next few days. I'll see you on the flip side.